Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to one of my favorite new products to help you get a good night's rest. You see, quality sleep is unquestionably one of the most important strategies for achieving optimal health. It's just as important as the food you eat, and even more important than your exercise. Yet, so many of us struggle to get enough crucial recovery sleep. That's the time your body needs to repair itself from the daily stresses that you encounter. That's why I believe our new product, CannaCalm, can be part of your go-to evening sleep routine. You see, CannaCalm combines a magnesium complex with potassium, glycine, and an organic hemp extract to help you relax and get the deep sleep and recovery you deserve. You can take CannaCalm in the evening for 100% of your recommended daily intake of magnesium from 3 highly absorbable sources: magnesium threonate, malate, and citrate. Not only do you get the ideal magnesium complex, but I've also added glycine, which is a fundamental requirement for your cellular repair and general health because it increases NADPH levels, and that helps lower oxidative stress. And to top it all off, the added organic hemp extract has a full array of phytocannabinoids and terpenes that feed your endocannabinoid system, possibly the most important physiological system in your body that communicates with virtually every organ. So get ready to finally get the rest you deserve every night by making CannaCalm part of your bedtime routine to help you take control of your health.